Hi there Pisces, it's Marie from the Tarot Shop here with your February reading. If you haven't been or seen this before, then I basically have two piles here. One is an oracle card, so I'll take that for the month ahead. And then I add 6 tarot cards, and it's basically to see if there's a message for you. If it doesn't fit, don't try and make it. Then it doesn't resonate, then also check out your moon or your rising, because it may be that there is a message there for you instead. Okay, Pisces. Financial health. I'm sounding surprised because I've just had that with another sign. So there's obviously a financial message here for you as well. And you'll see that if you're looking at the moon and the rising as well, and it could be similar. So it's a time of new beginnings and financial health for many signs this month. It's been quite, well, I love the cards. That's what they do, isn't it? Okay, so we've got Pisces for February. Let's have a look, see what the tarot has to say. Oh, lovely. So you have got a month where you are beginning to feel quite, okay, so financially, the cards are saying you're in a financially healthy position, whatever you may feel. So they're saying that there is financial health here because you've achieved something at work. So there's a reward there financially for you. And it's been hard going. You can see from this card, he's absolutely shattered. He's got a head bandana. And he looks quite as if he can't believe it. Right, okay, just give me your worst and I can still take it. It's exhausting because it's like a project that's almost finished you. But actually, you're so pleased with yourself, and quite rightly so. And because it's relating to the financial health, it would suggest that there's a financial reward in there for you. And that's brilliant. Now, look, after this point, you also are now able to move forward, if that makes sense to you. So you're able to move on. And you're able to move on independently. So the independence here, so this is the card of independence, and you're walking away. So you're able to walk towards your future, towards independence after this. And then you need to let go of something. So it's about letting go of something that's holding you back. The three of swords will be discomfort because it's comfortable for you. So there's always that element of where you're moving on into the future. You have that slight element of like fear and uncertainty. And actually, you know, the cards are saying to you that it's time to let it go. So whatever it is, if it's a belief system, if it's about the fact that actually you've been hanging on to something and it feels it's relative to this work situation, then it's time to move forward, because what's waiting for you is hope. So you've got the Page of Cups here, which tells me that the universe is about to provide you with an opportunity to go off in a different direction. They're about to give you hope again. It feels like you lost a little bit of that along the way. I'm just trying to see if there is anything else that I want to add into that at all. Hopefully the message is what's here. I mean, it doesn't feel very factual, but it's like, you know, as in it's this relating to this, relating to that. It's almost like a state of mind. Yeah, it's to do with money. So I just pulled another card just to give me that clarity. You know, you need to let go. Well, you will let go because you're moving forward. So you're moving on emotionally towards independence. You've got to let go of what's held you back, which will be a little bit uncomfortable to start. It feels like it's job expectations around that. That gives you hope. And actually, you've got generosity of spirit here. So actually, it moves you towards a position of where you're able to pay for things, and you're able to, you've got enough here that you can share, that you can give more around. I hope that makes sense to you. It's not actually a major month. It's more about day-to-day business, you know, getting things sorted and getting things so that you're able to not be so cautious with money. It feels as if, you know, you want to be in a situation where you're able to be the one that, you know, pays for treats and does these sorts of things. So that's why you're moving on and you're letting go of it, is because you're moving towards this situation where you can treat other people. if that makes sense. Okay, so if it doesn't resonate, then don't try and make it. Check out your moon or your rising. And that is February. So thank you very much, Pisces. Bye-bye.